Hi, this is Ben, and I have this inflatable dog pirate. Inside the box is the bag with the paracord and metal stakes for tying it all down, the instructions, and the inflatable, which comes in this handy storage bag. There are 4 tie down loops for this, one off of each shoulder and one on each of the feet. So for the feet, I think you can just put the stakes directly through them. You don't need to use the cord. Um, this can help it all stay nice and secure to the ground. The inflatable blows up without any trouble. The blower and the plug are attached to the inflatable, and it is a 2-prong plug, so you don't need a grounded outlet for this. And as far as the inflatable, I really think this dog is pretty cute, and with its pirate's costume and a candy bucket hanging out of its mouth. The inflatable is a pretty nice size, standing a little over 5 feet. The best part is that there are lights inside, so it really stands out at night in the darkness. I think this will be a really great addition to your Halloween decorations. I really like it, and I'm glad that we got it. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.